everybody, welcome to Ben's Ramblings. Recipes, reviews, and of course ramblings. Good afternoon everyone. We're going to make some guacamole. The recipe on the website has a recipe for 3 avocados, but since I'm the only one who's going to eat it today, I'm just going to make it with 1 avocado. I hope you enjoy. Let's get started on the guacamole. I'm going to start with an avocado. The recipe on the website calls for 3. This is a cut down recipe. I'm the only person who's going to eat this tonight. So, if you want to adjust the recipe based on what's on the website, you can. Obviously, you can make more or less. All right, cut the avocado in half, scoop out the avocado with a spoon, comes right out. Yeah, with avocados, you really want to make sure that the avocado is either ripe when you get it, if you're going to use it right away, or you want to make sure that it'll be ripe in a few days when you purchase them. So you really have to feel the avocados. If they're soft and mushy, it's really almost too ripe, and you could use it right away. If they're a little more firm, they'll be good for a few days from when you purchase them. So we've got our avocado. I'm going to just mash that up a little bit. And this one's a little bit firm, but this is all I could find at the supermarket today. And I don't want to go too crazy because we still have to put all the other ingredients in, and we're going to kind of mash those and mix those in. So I like my guacamole to be a little bit chunkier. I've got some cilantro here. You'll see I've got the small stems. That's fine. They'll kind of blend right up into it. Just chop that up. Throw that in. I like a lot of cilantro. Some people don't like cilantro at all, so you really have to judge that based on your audience. Then I'm going to cut up some Roma tomato. I don't need this whole tomato, so I'll just cut half of it. And if you want, this tomato's not too bad. If it's really, really juicy, you can actually just squeeze out the seeds and the juice into the sink or into the garbage, and then it won't add a lot of liquid to your guacamole. So we'll see how this does and whether or not we need to add more. And I'm dropping stuff all over. All right, it looks like it needs some more than that, so I'm going to cut some more up. We'll use this whole half. All right, next we're going to take a jalapeno. I'm not going to use this whole jalapeno. I'll probably use about half of it also. So let's cut it in half. Cut it in half this way. Then the hottest part of the jalapeno is the seeds and the stem here, or the pith. I'm going to take this and use a spoon and just scrape it into the garbage. All cleaned. Turn it over, crush it flat, and I'm going to dice this pretty fine. And we'll throw that in. Okay. Now some red onion. I have a half a red onion here. Just probably going to use a little bit of this, so I'm just going to cut off a piece. Peel off the skin. And again, we're just going to dice this. Okay, let's add that in. That's probably enough. Gonna take a lime, just roll it, rake up those cells, get that juice going. I'm gonna start with half of the lime for now, for the juice. Okay. And that's all of our dicing and cutting. I'm gonna add some Cholula Chipotle hot sauce. This adds a nice smokiness. Not a ton of heat, just a little bit of smokiness to it. I'm gonna add some fresh pepper. Some salt. And the last thing is some cumin. And you don't need a lot of the cumin to get that flavor in there. And we'll mix it around and see how it looks. All right, I'm gonna add some more lime juice. I think I could use a little more. Just stir it in. The bowl probably could have been a little bigger, but yeah, that looks a little better, a little creamier. Okay. I'm gonna try to smooth it all out because I'm not gonna eat this for a few hours. It's actually best if it's left for a little while for all the ingredients to kind of meld together. It'll be a lot better if it sits in the fridge for a few hours. So now that it's all done, I'm just gonna take some plastic wrap and put a layer right over the surface so that it doesn't brown. And you want to push it right down into the guacamole. Make sure that's down on the whole surface. And I'm just going to throw the lid on, burp it to get the air out, and we're done.